wondered how a camera takes a picture? How does the world outside fit inside such a small box? Today, we're going to explore the simplest camera in the world and discover the amazing science of light hidden inside every photograph you've ever taken. This is called a simple camera model. It may look like just a box with a tiny opening on one side and a screen on the other. No batteries, no electronics, no touch screen. And yet, it works on exactly the same scientific principle as the camera in your phone. Now watch carefully. We place an object in front of the small opening. Light from that object enters the box through this tiny hole. And look at the screen inside. An image appears. But there's something surprising about it. The image is upside down. The top appears at the bottom, and the bottom appears at the top. Why does that happen? Here's the secret. Light travels in straight lines. When light rays leave the top of the object, they travel downward through the tiny opening. At the same time, light rays from the bottom travel upward through that same opening. The rays cross each other at that point. That crossing makes the image flip, creating an inverted picture on the screen. If we use a lens instead of just a small hole, the lens focuses the light more precisely, producing a sharper and brighter image. This is exactly how cameras work. Your phone camera, CCTV cameras, digital cameras, and even your own eyes all use the same principle. So what did we learn today? First, light travels in straight lines. Second, a small opening or lens can capture an image. And third, every photo, every video, and every selfie you take depends on this simple scientific idea. A camera doesn't capture the world. It captures light. You can even try making this at home using a shoebox, some tape, and a pin. Build it, experiment with it, and discover the science for yourself. For more exciting experiments like this, visit Ratnanidhi Science Innovation Center. And don't forget to subscribe. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep experimenting.